Dear, welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you not eligible for TikTok account fix. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Firstly, open the TikTok app. Now click on the profile. After opening this, you have a problem that you are not eligible for TikTok account. Click on the three lines which appear at right top corner. Click on settings and privacy. Click on privacy. You will see that you have no option that how to fix age on it. That's why you have to move back, and you will see here report a problem. You have to click on this option. 18 or above 18 age people are allowed to use the TikTok or allowed to make the TikTok account. That's why we have to click on accounts and profile. After clicking on this type of screen appear. Now click on the editing profile here, move to the others. After moving to the others, you will see here an option of whatever you are seeing different option. You have to click on the need more help. When you need more help, this screen appear. Now you have to set that I want to change my birthday on TikTok. When you have to change your birthday, right here submit it. TikTok team will submit it and they will allow you to make an account by using your new date of birth. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.